No, it's getting hot because I can see it smoking.
I would get that out of there. Oh,
that's why.
What?
So this is a zip ties and bias plies type fix. When your aftermarket aluminum radiator breaks in your Ferd, you just throw some zip ties on it, keep it from going back. The zip ties you get from the Home Depot. Gotta get a lot of them on there. Gotta get like 4. Don't forget your liquid motivation.
Go get some Cosby sauce. I think that'll fix it. Yeah. Spray some ether on there, just with the torch at the same time.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I bet that'll get it hot enough.
Oh yeah. This is factory.
Call it aftermarket.
Yeah. Now, if you got room, let's double that up. So we got.
Yeah, because it's gonna basically just shear that tab off.
Oh, that's one more. Yeah, we'll get
Dude.
One more on there.
Actually, yeah, it's actually pulled back up to the tab.
And then the hood won't shut. You're like, ah, dang it.
Chris keeps texting me.
This is why we haven't bothered cleaning this Bronco, because we do stuff like this.
How dare you?
You know, if you didn't have grease on it, the zip ties will disappear.
Oh, that's better than, factory. That's solid. Yeah, and because it's plastic, that is the insulator.
I'll cut those up.
Just cut the ends. Just the long ones, at least. Don't slice yourself or cut the wiring harness.
Or cut me.
Yeah.
Try to light me on fire.
He actually slips and right in your throat. And you're like, uh oh.
You just pull that piece.
There we go. Fixed.